Nothing ruins a great meal like a kitchen full of smoke and lingering odors. A good range hood keeps grease, smoke, and smells where they belong, out of your kitchen. So I tested 8 popular range hoods, comparing suction power, noise, filtration, and installation. Today, I'm ranking them from specialized picks to the best overall choice. Whether you have a tiny apartment or you're remodeling your kitchen, there's something here for you. Let's get into the countdown. Starting off at number 8 is the Chiara Portable Mini Desktop Range Hood, and this is genuinely the right tool for an extremely specific but common problem: cooking in a space with almost no ventilation infrastructure at all. This is a compact portable unit built specifically for places like RVs, kitchenettes, or studio apartments, where a full ducted range hood simply isn't an option. It uses polymer, aluminum, and carbon filters to remove smoke and odors, recirculating cleaner air right back into the room wherever you happen to have access to an outlet. No ductwork required whatsoever. It won't match the raw power of a full-size range hood, but it performs genuinely admirably for its size, offering 2 fan speeds and a long power cord for flexible placement. Cleanup is refreshingly simple too. Just wipe it down with a wet cloth, and both the filters and the removable oil cup are dishwasher safe when they get grimy. For apartment dwellers and RV cooks with genuinely no other ventilation option though, this is a smart, practical solution. Number 7 is the Brown-Nutone Glacier 2. Every unit undergoes 50 points of inspection before it ships, a genuinely rigorous standard aimed at ensuring superior long-term durability and consistently improved kitchen air quality. Brown-Nutone claims this hood removes pollutants 20% more effectively than the leading competitor, backed by strong airflow at 350 max blower cubic feet per minute, and it includes bright, 2-level heat-resistant LED lighting to genuinely improve visibility while cooking. The seamless tap-touch controls are backlit and let you adjust both the 3-speed blower and the 2-level lighting without fumbling for physical buttons. At just 1.5 zones, this hood is up to 44% quieter than competing models, about as loud as a refrigerator. Easy 1 brackets make installation quick and manageable, while flexible venting supports top, rear, or ductless setups. It's also ENERGY STAR certified and Title 24 compliant, making it a quiet, efficient, and practical choice. Number 6 is the Cosmo Under Cabinet Convertible Range Hood. Despite its compact size, this hood is genuinely up to the task, running a quiet 3-speed fan that effectively clears residual cooking smoke and odors without dominating conversation in an open kitchen. It's externally vented by default, requiring a connection to your existing ductwork, but a separately available conversion kit lets you switch it to ductless operation if your kitchen setup calls for that flexibility. The filters are built to last the lifetime of the unit with regular maintenance, and Cosmo recommends washing them monthly in warm soapy water or simply tossing them in the dishwasher. The sleek design uses straightforward push-button controls for power, fan speed, and lighting, keeping day-to-day operation genuinely simple. One honest limitation worth noting: the LED light, positioned at the back of the hood, might not provide sufficient illumination for your cooking space entirely on its own, so it's worth factoring in your kitchen's broader lighting setup rather than relying on this hood as your sole light source over the stove. Number 5 is the Cosmo 30-inch Island Mount Range Hood. Its sleek design genuinely complements a wide range of kitchen decor themes, but it's far more than just a visually attractive centerpiece. It's specifically well-suited for island stovetops with multiple burners, where ventilation coverage needs to be more comprehensive. 4 LED lights make it genuinely easy to see exactly what you're cooking, and 3 fan speeds give you real control over airflow depending on what's on the stove. The digital control interface handles fan speed and a built-in timer, and it even includes a clock for everyday convenience. The one honest trade-off is the glass visor. While it looks genuinely elegant, it's prone to showing grease splatters more visibly than a matte surface, meaning you'll likely want to clean it a bit more frequently to keep that sleek look intact. This model can also be converted to a ductless system with an additional purchase if your island setup doesn't have existing ductwork access. For island cooking specifically, this is a genuinely well-designed, attractive solution. Number 4 is the Fotal JQG 7505. This is a slant vent series hood using a 90-degree automatic open baffle plate that helps reduce fume spread while quickly exhausting up to 6 square feet of space for genuinely improved airflow. It's the industry's first side draft range hood, built with dual DC motors, hitting a maximum static pressure of 540 pascals and increasing effective extraction rate by 30% compared to traditional range hoods, all while keeping noise down to a genuinely impressive 39 decibels, quiet enough to comfortably hold a conversation while it's running. Motion activation technology is a real standout feature here, using infrared connectivity so you can turn the hood on or off with a simple wave of your hand, keeping the surface free of smudges from constantly touching controls with cooking hands. Dual motors remove up to 95% of grease and reduce odors by 98%, while the filter and grease tray are easy to clean. Fotal also provides professional installation and nationwide support, making this an advanced yet user-friendly range hood. Number 3 is the Houselane UC-PS18. Whether you're doing a full kitchen remodel or just upgrading a single appliance, this sleek stainless steel hood with its digital screen and baffle filters is designed to fit seamlessly and stand the test of time. It's built for genuinely heavy-duty cooking, handling heat and smoke from boiling, steaming, poaching, braising, frying, searing, and sautéing, with customizable ventilation and suction strong enough to eliminate lingering odors and prevent the buildup of harmful cooking byproducts. A uniquely designed duct system paired with a dual motor setup keeps airflow noise genuinely low, meaning you can hold a conversation comfortably even while it's running at higher speeds. Three-way venting lets you match your existing ductwork, while power control technology keeps airflow under 350 cubic feet per minute to help reduce installation costs. You get 6 fan speeds, adjustable lighting, dishwasher-safe baffle filters, and a convenient touchscreen with delay shutoff. Number 2 is the Robum RMAX 3, powered by a high-efficiency BLDC motor spinning at 132,000 revolutions per minute with 1,200 pascals of static pressure. This hood delivers a massive 1,400 cubic feet per minute of turbo suction, rapidly extracting dense smoke, grease particles, and cooking fumes even during the heaviest, most intense cooking sessions. The 3.9 square foot slant vent design, combined with a large stainless steel containment zone, positions the exhaust intake closer to your burners than a traditional flat hood, intercepting smoke directly at the source before it has a chance to spread through your kitchen. Built-in smart sensors continuously monitor real-time smoke conditions and automatically calibrate airflow speed on their own, meaning you get genuinely optimal extraction performance without constantly reaching up to manually adjust settings mid-cook. Touch-free swipe and hover controls keep operation hygienic, while smart cooktop syncing, a cleaning reminder, and 1-minute delay shutoff add convenience. Magnetic stainless steel filters capture up to 98% of grease, with a 1.2-liter grease cup for easy maintenance. And our number 1 pick is the Cosmo 30-inch ducted wall mount range hood. This hood delivers genuinely good airflow capacity, and because it's ducted, it actually vents odors and cooking grease outside your house entirely, rather than just filtering and recirculating indoor air. If your kitchen setup doesn't support ducting, it can also be converted to a ductless system using a separately sold carbon filter kit, giving you real flexibility depending on your home's layout. The permanent filters pop right into the dishwasher for easy cleaning, and the energy-efficient LED light does a genuinely great job illuminating your stovetop, which matters a lot if your range happens to sit in a dimmer corner of the kitchen. Its 3-year parts warranty and affordable price make it a reliable, great value choice without sacrificing core performance. For most home cooks wanting dependable ventilation and solid airflow without unnecessary extras, this is the right choice, and our number 1 pick. Every range hood is linked in the description so you can find the right one for your kitchen and budget. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which one you're choosing. See you in the next one.